Are you tired of tedious online exams? Let's change the game today. Introducing LearnWorlds, your solution for hassle-free, personalized assessments. With our advanced assessment builder, create engaging exams quickly. Use AI to generate diverse question types and automate feedback for faster results. Focus on what matters. Our platform offers 16 question types, customizable feedback, and integrated SCORM assessments. Save time and boost engagement with our unique features. LearnWorlds stands out with robust security, flexible tagging, and personalized experiences for learners. Offering downloadable feedback and server-side time tracking for peace of mind. Ready to elevate your assessment experience. Discover LearnWorlds today and take your online exams to the next level. Visit our website to get started.